So we're at the shipper. It's not much of a facility. It's not very big. It's called Hog Slap Farms Farm Equipment. I guess it's pretty big for like a farm equipment kind of place, but you can kind of see what's going on outside. It's still pouring down rain. Just about 45 mile an hour the whole way here. And we still made it on time. We had to wait at the gate about a half hour. And then he come out, opened the gate, said go in door 3. Which I had to get out and open my door, so I got soaked again. And there, they just locked me in. See the mirror there. Just locked me in the door, so hopefully it won't take me too long to load me. Because it's 11 hours to receiver. So I'll be pushing my hours. I'm already 2 hours down driving. So I got almost 9 hours left to drive tonight. Then I need a 10-hour break and have to deliver by 5 p.m. tomorrow night. So it's gonna be close. It was tough backing in here because pouring down rain, and there's nothing else in any of these docks. You couldn't see the line. You couldn't see anything through the rain. And it's not really well lit, but finally got her in the door, and like I said, just got a red light, and we're getting loaded, so hopefully it won't take too long. It's not too heavy, and we get on down the road and make this delivery on time tomorrow. We get loaded and I come back. Alright, y'all. We are in the TA at Madison, Georgia. Getting ready to take off. We got in here about 4 a.m. last night. Took a while to get here. Tropical storm was dumping a lot of rain. Kept slowing traffic down to 35-40 mile an hour. We got here about 4 a.m. Got some sleep. Got up, showered. Got something to eat, and getting ready to hit the road. We got to make it to Meridian, Mississippi today, and then deliver to Philadelphia, Mississippi, Chunky, Mississippi, and a place in Louisiana. I forget the place in Louisiana now. Tomorrow, but 3 stops on this load. Today looks like a much nicer day. So we got to get down the road so we can get to these truck stops where they fill up. Last night we stopped at a Love's about an hour up the road, and it was one spot open. I couldn't get into it. Probably could have if I'd have kept trying, but I was tired of trying, and I was too tired. Didn't want to make a mistake. You know, I don't want to hit nobody, so we just decided to keep going down the road until something opened up. We stopped here, and there's quite a few spaces, so that's where we ended up. But we're getting ready to head out. So when we head out tomorrow, we'll get back to you.